What is up, guys? In today's video we are making a Roblox NPC. This tutorial is super easy and this is how the NPC is gonna work.
Do I know you, bro? You know what? Hit the road.
I mean, whatever you say, man. Sorry guys for that awful joke, but let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is go inside your Roblox Studio tab up here. You're gonna select avatar and you're gonna import a rig. For this example, I just did my avatar and then I clicked import. Once you've done that, pull it in front of your screen and select it in the workspace. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is select your NPC inside the workspace, and then you're going to go to the Explorer tab and then click the plus button on it, and then you're going to select a proximity prompt. Once you've inserted that, click the proximity prompt under your rig and then insert a script. Once you're inside your script, you are going to paste this script inside of it. Basically, this gets service from the chat and allows you to print whatever you want. Whatever you want your NPC to say, find this dialougeArray variable. Inside this array, in between these commas, is everything your NPC is going to say. Alright, so now once you're done your script, you can test your NPC, just like this.
Sup? You look familiar. Nevermind
Wow,
your
bro, are you
chopped.
kidding me? What do you got to say about this?
For real.
Ain't no way. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed any of the content you saw, please leave a like or subscribe. If you guys like this tutorial or want to see different kind of tutorial, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.